The party spills their bag open, revealing a vast sum of gold coins hoarded away for centuries. Hi everyone, I'm Cal Spriggs. Today I'm going to show you how I made some coins for Dungeons & Dragons. I've been playing D&D with physical coins for years because it really adds to the immersion of the players as they find those physical coins. I started out with an open source gold coin. From there I did the minimal prep work for my 3D printer, put it at an angle and added some supports. I find printing stuff like this at a slight angle, 20 to 30 degrees, allows the resin printer to run the prints better. My resin 3D printer struggles with those large flat surfaces. Once I had one coin how I wanted, I copied it and spaced them around on the plate. The slicer software has an auto-organize feature, but I feel like it's overly safe for what I'm doing. Besides, I want to print a lot of coins for my players, so I need to be printing them in as large a batches as possible. Once the print was complete, I removed the print plate from the printer. A quick glance showed that everything was in order, and then I went on into the post-processing. I don't show it here because I didn't set up the camera mount and I needed both hands for the cleaning. Always clean your resin following your manufacturer's instructions. I ran the coins through my curing machine. Resin takes a bit more post-print effort than printing stuff off my PLA printer, but I find for stuff this finely detailed and small, I get better results. I may have gone a little overboard in making the coins. I ran 10 prints of about 200 coins. Setting them all out here, you can see it's a lot of effort, but once your players start murder hoboing their way through a campaign, you need a lot of coins. Next up was priming and painting. I hit them all with the black spray paint first, as that adds a bit of depth for when I go back over with the metallic paint. Also, if the metallic paint chips, it shows black underneath and it looks a bit more like damage or corrosion. As these are gold coins, I hit them with gold spray paint, and I did it at about a 45-degree angle because I wanted to retain the darker color in the recesses of the coins. Trying to spray paint while holding the camera steady was more of a challenge than I thought, so apologies if the camera bounces around a bit and you get the close-ups of my finger. And here we are, a vast pile of treasure for my players to loot. As you can see, I also did copper, silver, and bronze and other coins. I feel like these coins will add a ton of variety and excitement to the games I run, and the players can see that not every bit of loot is just more bookkeeping. It's an item with history and story behind it. They can look at individual coins with markings and runes from other lands, and it makes the world seem bigger for them, and treasure coins can act as an adventure hook as well. I actually made a lot more coins than I intended, so for those interested, I'll have a link down below to where I'm selling the extra ones. If there's a lot of interest, I can always make some more. That's all I have for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.